Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. This is going to be a review of the CYEVA Cup Holder Tray Expander. It's a 3-in-1 multifunctional car cup holder. It can hold Yetis up to usually 20 ounces, 26 ounces, 30 ounces, and the hydro flasks, 32 and 40 ounce ones. The install will be on a 2015 Ford Edge. Real quick, let's unbox it. Everything has mostly been sped up for ease of use, but some people just want to see the actual product. Some people also want to see the box it comes in. Does it come in a box? Or is it just going to be thrown in a bag and put in a box? I mean, in an Amazon box. There will be links in the description for this item. It says it weighs 4.5 pounds. It didn't really feel like it weighed 4.5 pounds. No, it didn't feel like it weighed 4.5 pounds. I don't know. But anyway, that's just what it was saying on the website on Amazon. Maybe I could see it with the car cup expander. I put these together before, not this one here, another brand. But what I will say about what I learned from other ones I put together, first do a dry run, and what I mean by that is put everything together before you even put it in your car, your SUV, or your truck first. It makes it so much easier. So you can see it came with a screwdriver also and an extra screw. Everything that was needed to be screwed together is already there, so it has an extra screw and a screwdriver. You can offset the cup holder, the tray from the cup holder also if you want to, depending on how you want to do it. I didn't have to do all that. This one's pretty simple. You twist it and you'll see the legs on the side slowly start coming out, and that's how it tightens down into your car cup holder in your car. Now you say, well, why would I not just use the car cup holder in my car? Well, your car cup holder in your car can't hold a 40-ounce Yeti or a 30-ounce, um, drink from Yeti. There are other bottle Yeti bottles and stuff. So this does 32 and 40 ounces. So I put it all together like this just to see, okay, this is what it looks like. This is what I'm working with. Okay, this seems like a pretty simple install. I like about this tray is this tray folds in half and locks in place. Now, are you going to put something that weighs 30 pounds on top of this tray? No, you're not. This is a basic tray. This is made for like putting food on it. And what I like about these trays, and I do use them on my road trips, is it keeps food from getting on my shirt. So, okay, let's put it in here. So I'm just doing a dry run right here. I'm testing to see what it looks like. Um, so you can decide which car cup holder you want to put it in. Take that off first. I would extend the legs out some, not to where they're super tight and you can't hardly get it down there, but just enough so when you put it in there, you don't have to hardly twist it. And then you can line it up so you have the tray on the correct side. So it's not like facing you, it could be facing away from you, and then you just you can turn it around towards you. Don't over tighten it either. You don't need to do all that. There's no reason to break it doing that. These hold sturdy. I can tell us for you this for a fact because I have others in my other cars, and I've had one or two of them for over a year, and there's been no problems. And they've went on car trips with me, no problems. There it is. Depending on which way you tighten it, you can have the tray different ways. With the tray itself, I would store it when I'm not using it. There's no reason to leave it up like that. And you see, just throwing a little bottle in here, a bigger bottle actually, in there so you can get an idea. I don't have any Yeti flasks. I don't use them, but if I had one, they would definitely fit. There's a lot of room. It keeps it snugly, and like I said, I've had the same type that works the same way where you tighten it down to the car cup holder. I've never once had them pop out. As you can see, you can put it on here. What I like about the tray too is you can stow and go it. What I would probably end up doing with it also is maybe put a little bit of lubricant or something on the end of it so it goes down in there a lot easier if I wanted to, but there's no problems with it. Takes a coffee mug because it's got the slots on the side, so a coffee mug actually sits down there and is secure down in there, so it's not going to fly out on you. So with the coffee mug, they always got a handle on it. It has no problem with the mug because it has side slots on it. So I really did like that about this. As I said, it's pretty cool in regards to how it works in regards to that, and I think that it secures the weight well. There's no problems with it with in regards to the weight. The rubber tabs that you turn to tighten it in place keep it snugly in there. So I genuinely like it in regards to that. So I think that's really cool. I think the design, if you put in your car, it should last the lifetime of your car more than likely the lifetime of the average American will have a car. Now, CYEVA actually sent this to me, and so they sent me this product. They didn't pay me for this. They sent it to me to test. So took me a while to get around to doing it because I'm fairly busy, and so I ended up doing it. I'm giving an honest review of this, and I can say from my actual personal use of these different ones that I've gotten over the years, they work well. They do. I've never had one break on me. I've never done anything like that. I've taken them on long road trips. I'm talking thousands of mile road trips. They've held my water bottles in them. I've used the little trays on them before, and I used this one with my last camping trip I did, which was a pretty serious one and a really fun one. And like I said, you could be at a Maverick, a Flying J, a Love's gas station, go in there, get you a bite to eat there, or bring your sack lunch like this, and you can sit it there, and you don't have to worry about having all the crumbs sitting on the front of your shirt, or spilling ketchup or anything on the front of your shirt. So I do like that about these. What I don't like about them, there's really nothing I don't like about them. I think they're real simple to use, to be honest with you. That's what I think about, and I really like about them. The little pad you saw going, that's a non-slip, so stuff doesn't go slide around the bottom of it. It has it has a lot of different things in regards going for it, in regards to it's good for road trips. So I definitely like that about it. It's definitely good for road trips, and decent um, it has decent size on it. It's not overly big, but it can take one decent, say, fast food meal or simple meal like that. You can put it on this tray and have your drink right next to you. They also have like a coin and a phone version. So where the tray goes, you can actually put one of the little slots on the side of it where you can keep all your little coins, or a phone version where you can just pop your phone on the side of the actual cup itself. Now, I'll have links in the description for this, the CYEVA Car Cup Holder Expander with food tray. And I recommend this product. I just think it's real simple, real easy. It's great for road trips. I really like it that I can, whatever drinks I'm getting, I don't have to worry about them really fitting into the car cup. I think they work well. I have no issues with them. And this is my honest review on it. Like I said, I was not paid for this review. They sent it to me. They said, "Hey, Purple Panda, can you actually review this for us?" I said, "Sure, I can." And this is an honest review. I like it. It looks like it's $30, $30.99 for the car cup holder. There'll be links in the description. I would recommend getting one of these type of actual car cup expanders and food trays, just because they're great, especially if you take long trips and stuff like that, and you want to sit in your vehicle and eat without having the food halfway sitting on your shirt. Also, anyway, everyone, this is Frugal Panda. I want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I got some big plans for this coming summer. I got a big, actually outdoor gear that I just picked up myself, and I'm going to be doing a tour of that as soon as I actually get it. I'm really excited for it. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda. Everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Get outside, enjoy it, enjoy this weather as it's coming along. And this is Frugal Panda out. Thanks for watching with the CYEVA car holder tray, 3-in-1 multifunctional